So if you're serious about scaling your dry urban cleaning business to over 6 figures per year, then hopefully you already took the first 2 steps and you're ready to take the third step now, improving your marketing. One of the first things you want to do to improve your marketing is set up a GBP, a Google Business Profile, and your website, and rank them at the top of Google for key search terms that your customers are using to find you. And one of the best ways to do that is by using the fastest way to rank process. What it comes down to is building trust with Google. If you can build more trust than your competitors, then you can outrank them. The second thing you want to do is set up a Facebook page and a Nextdoor business page if you haven't already. And you want to start posting regularly. And the key here is to stand out by using your personality. Be yourself. Smile. Tell some stories about your personal life that tie into what you do. This is something that can easily help you connect with your potential customers. But no matter how good you get with marketing, you want to make sure that you're a master at what you do. We'll talk about that in the next video.